So let's see if this can hold up, right? Because now we got equal lows down here, right? We got these equal lows. We already had a low right there once. Market came back up, act like it wanted to reverse on us. Try out a little sell right here. Very low risk. Like I said, I know I'm counter trend, and I know even though I can, pullback could happen, I could become liquidity first, right? When you're counter trend. So we got our stop. We got small risk. Wanted to see if I could get a pullback back to these equal lows right here. And it looked like we're going to be getting stopped out right there. Yep, got stopped out on all accounts. So let's see. I want to see, do we sweep this liquidity and now pull back? Or are we just going to keep going up and up and up and up? And that's why I took small risks on that trade. On my funded account, I was only risking about like $300 on that trade. So let's see what happened now. I wouldn't even be surprised if it gets weak right here. Let's see. We're looking for a pullback. Wow, we did bounce off of this order block right here. But I still don't trust that little 5-minute order block. I want to see if they're going to pull us back a little bit more. We need to see how this 5-minute candle is going to close. I know I should have never been taking the sell right there. I literally said it, don't take the sell. But I just wanted to see if I could get a little fake out, come back down. If I was watching from the 5-minute, I honestly probably would have been more tempted to trust this order block, but I wasn't watching from the 5-minute. I was watching from the 1-minute. So, okay, so the 5-minute candle looking like it's closing very good right there. So now we can drop it to the 5-minute here and find a buy, because it's definitely about to just keep going up without us. So now this broke out of this little wick. We can remove this off of our chart. If it can come back down here and pick us up, this is going to be our potential entry area right here. We have a new swing low. So let's see. We definitely tweaked up a little bit right there on the 1-minute. Let's see this. Definitely tweaked up a little bit on that trade. See if we can get a pullback and get into a buy before I got to go to the barber shop. Get some of these losses back. See if we can make a swing high right here on the 1-minute time frame. And if we can get a drop down into here, this should be for sure a good trade idea right here. And that's still a 1 to 3. So let's see, maybe we can even get a little greedy and go up here. Let's see if we can get picked up. Let's see if we can get picked up right here. Make sure I'm setting all of my stop losses and everything right. So let's see, it's pulling back. Let's see if they pick us up, get us in this trade. We can make back the loss we just took from taking the stupid counter trend that I literally told everybody not to take, but I took it myself. So appreciate you, my baby Mel, for saying it's a good scream. I really appreciate that. I love you. Just trying to find a good trade so I can get up out of here. There we go. Give us the pullback so we can get in. So we're looking on a 5-minute big order block. Let's make sure we use this order block stop loss right here for our stop loss. It's the wrong stop loss. We want to make sure we have a real safe stop loss right there. Man, all of these now we want to make all of these breakaway gaps when I'm trying to take the buy. Come on, bro. This is very bearish, but I'm going to still trust my buy. I don't see it doing all of this. We just wicked that yellow line, which is discount. Had a sharp rejection right before our entry right there. Still, we still haven't got in yet, so hopefully it don't take off without us. We've been missing like literally every trade today. The one trade that we do take is the one that loses. So come on, get back down there one more time, pick us up. Look at this on the 5-minute or the 15-minute. All of these wicks, man. Like you see on the 15-minute, none of these bodies are closing above here, right here. All right, I want to see, because we got 2 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close, and I don't like all of this rejecting, but I can't take another sale for sure. All right, let's go back down because we just hit into my area. Or I want to be taking a buy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this buy. It's kind of like at a weird time to take it because of this 15-minute candle, but I'm just gonna have to trust it. So I did take this buy, you guys. Let's see what they give us right here. And actually my stop loss, let me make sure I got y'all know exactly where my stop is right here. So make sure I put everything the right way. This is a 1 to 3.45 risk to reward ratio type of trade. Well, let's see how this play out, y'all. I gotta literally leave within like the next 10 minutes. So I don't know if y'all are going to be able to see this entire trade play out, but hopefully they can at least run us back up above these highs, and we're going to move our stop losses into profits, and I'll maybe give y'all an update. And that's only if we even win this trade, but Let me go back and look at the 15-minute chart real quick. All right, we almost got a break above. Let me see this right here. Did we get a break above? All right, we got a very tiny break above right there. So that's very good. That's very good. That makes me very happy. So now we just have to wait and see what happens.